Good morning. In today's video, we will study about the practical. So for writing practical, you have to follow few rules. Means first you have to write aim, then material required, procedure, then observation, inference and precaution. So first we will start with aim. Aim of the practical is to prepare a temporary stain mount of onion peel. Materials required. Medium sized onion, slide, cover slip, watch glass, forceps, knife, needle, distilled water, glycerine, dropper, blotting paper, safranin solution, compound microscope and brush. Now procedure. Take a medium sized onion and cut laterally into 4 to 5 pieces with the help of a knife. Remove a scale leaf from one of the pieces. Break the scale leaf gently from the middle and peel a small portion from the delicate epidermis. That is the covering that covers the inner surface of the scale leaf. Remove the delicate epidermal peel with the help of forceps and place it in a watch glass containing water. Take another watch glass and place in it 3 to 4 drops of safranin solution. With the help of a brush, transfer the peel in water and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, transfer the peel back to the watch glass containing water. This would remove the extra stain sticking the peel. Now take a clean glass slide and pour 1 to 2 drops of glycerine. Transfer the stained peel in the drops of glycerine on the slide with the help of brush or forceps. The peel may turn to curl up. With the help of a needle and brush, flatten the peel. Place the cover slip on the slide in such a way that no air bubble enter in it. Gently press the cover slip with needle to spread the glycerine and peel properly. Now remove the extra material surrounding the slide with the help of blotting paper. After that, examine the slide under compound microscope. Now observation. There are large number of cells lying side by side with the distinct cell wall. A largely stained nucleus is present in the periphery of cytoplasm. A lightly stained cytoplasm is present in the periphery of the cell wall. A prominent vacuole is at the center of the cell. Now inference. The cell under observation are the plant cell. It is because cell wall and large vacuoles are clearly seen. Now precautions. Handle the microscope carefully. While placing the cover slip, take care that there must not be any air bubble. So that's all for today. You have to write this practical in your practical copy, but if it is not available, you may write in your rough copy. Thank you.